Hello everyone, my name is Alok. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princesses of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, and a parenting expert, plus a business enthusiast for the last 20 years. And I'm here helping 3 kinds of people. Number 1, people who want to create a business out of their own passion or expertise. Number 2, people who do have a business in offline mode want to take it in online. And number 3, people who are doing pretty well but somehow they are not able to upskill and grow. So me, Alok, as a business coach is going to help you and give you a specific strategy for your business so that you upskill and you grow. So owners, entrepreneurs, today I'm also going to talk about one very specific thing which relates to the business very much. And you know what? The question is, what does a customer have in his or her mind when he comes to you, right? This is very specific, and you understand, if you are able to understand that particular reason, you can customer very easily. So what customer wants, what is going in the customer minds, that you need to understand. So I'll tell you what are all those 4 or 5 points which you need to take care of. A customer comes to you because of certain 4 or 5 reasons. Number 1, he or she wants to be heard. People want to express their pain, right? So first of all, you should be listening to the customer. Whatever product or service you are in, first try to listen what the customer wants to say. We as salespeople normally ignore that part, which is very critical. So first point is, you need to listen to the customers because they want to be heard. There is the gap. They want to be heard, you need to listen. If you start listening, you make an impact and you start building a credibility from there onwards. Reason being, the customer understands that, okay, there is somebody to listen to. Okay. Number 2, the customer has some pain. He is telling you the pain. Now, he also knows that you are not a part of his family or something like that, but he has come to you because he needs some kind of an empathy and he wants a solution to that problem, right? In any way, maybe as I told you, maybe fear or peace of mind or a upgraded version of himself, but he wants a solution to the problem, right? Number 3, he wants to be sure. Whenever he starts talking, he or she wants to be sure that the problem he has or the thing which he has in his mind is going to be fulfilled. So you need to talk in the sense that yes, you have come to us and you are at the right place with certain facts and figures, right? Don't show some data or analytics, but you can talk in that sense wherein the customer builds a confidence that, okay, I'm at the right place and this person is going to help me solve my problem. Obviously, number 4 is money. Everybody is there. People are not coming from a different space who doesn't understand that the business runs on money, but they want to get multiple times of the investment which they are doing. So you need to be very clear telling them about the multiple X results which they'll be getting out of the money which they are going to invest. So if you keep in mind all these 4 or 5 points, he'll or she'll be going to be your customers. That's it for now. Thank you so much. Please take note of these points. These are very important and critical points which is going to help you in business. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next video.